There's no God, I heard him say, as he snuffed out his cigarette and stared at the TV set above the bar and watched the world fall apart before his eyes. But what he don't realize is we've all been given freedom to live our lives the way we please. Just because you've never seen it ain't no reason to believe that there's no God. 'Cause I know he watches from above, and he loves every one of us, and all he wants us to do is have a little faith and try to love each other too. And it breaks his heart when someone he created starts to think that there's no God, no one ever died upon that cross to save mankind, that angels are a fairy tale, and in the end yourself is all you got. There's no God, or so he thought, as I watched him pay his tab and step outside to catch a cab. And as he walked across the road, he never saw it coming when that driver lost control. When I pulled him to the sidewalk, in a daze he looked at me, with my wings all wrapped around him. I asked him, do you still believe that there's no God, no one ever died upon that cross to save mankind, that angels are a fairy tale, and in the end yourself is all you got. If there's no God, there's no God, there's no God, but there's a God.